I first saw drone racing on a YouTube video. A friend of mine I didn't actually find it, a friend of mine showed me it. And it just looked incredible, you know. They were flying through a forest, they had LEDs on their drones, and it just looked like, the scene from Star Wars, you know, where they're flying through the forest on the speeder bikes. And I was so amazed by it. And then some time passed, and I kind of, around Christmas, New Year's time, I kind of thought, what would be a good goal? And one of my goals was to spend just spend some time on something new, something that I'd never done before. You know, just try and I don't know, just try something else out. And at that point, that video came springing back into my mind, and I was like, I could try that. I could try doing what those guys did, because that looked amazing. It's something that I would really wanted to do, and then it just kind of it just stayed in my mind, and I really wanted to try it out.